Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and raising the needle so you can work safely. Once done, remove the needle plate and any accessory tray to expose the bobbin area. You want to see the bobbin case clearly and note how the current bobbin sits and which way the thread feeds off it. Make sure you have the correct replacement bobbin for your Singer model and a small screwdriver on hand to loosen the bobbin case retaining screw if required. You loosen the bobbin case screw or press the release latch, then carefully lift the case or bobbin out. This prevents losing small parts. Once removed, check the bobbin for correct winding and replace with a freshly wound bobbin if necessary, keeping tension even. Insert the new bobbin so the thread feeds in the direction indicated by your Singer model, typically clockwise or counterclockwise, making sure the thread slips under the tension spring. Align the case back in its seat and secure the latch or screw firmly. You reattach the needle plate, lower the presser foot, then plug the machine in and sew several test stitches on scrap fabric to confirm even stitch formation. If you see loops or loose stitches on the underside, make a small turn of the bobbin tension screw to tighten or loosen the bobbin tension and test again. Make sure to change in tiny increments. If problems persist, power down, remove the bobbin, clean lint from the case and shuttle, and rethread the top thread to ensure both threads meet cleanly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.